Guys, I've been wanting to teach my kid how to play chess for a while. He's definitely interested and he loves to play checkers. So when the company reached out and sent me this board, I was really happy. It's a beautiful wood board. It comes with everything that you need. It has the light stain as well as the dark stain wood. And then it has these numbers and letters to help you learn. I've been wanting to teach him how to play chess for a while, and it does come with some directions as well. So you can see all of the pieces. It's everything that you need for chess or checkers, which I think is great. I love to keep this out in my living room. The pieces are all really nicely made. They're a good size. So both him and I can play together. You can see it's like carved wood, both this like light stain as well as this dark stain wood. Really happy with with this item, and I would definitely recommend this to anybody and purchase it for a gift. All the pieces are just really nicely handcrafted, as well as has this like felt down on the bottom to move easily throughout the board. So everything's stored in here. I like that it has this section so it's not just like loose pieces everywhere. So it goes back. It helps us prevent losing it. And then the lid right on top has like this beveled edge as well as the felt on the bottom so it won't scratch up any furniture. If you're looking for a chessboard, I would definitely recommend this one.